All right, so I bought this Fitbit Charge 2 over 6 years ago, and it still charges up fine and works good, but it is starting to really show its age. You can see there's some condensation underneath the lens, and it is all scratched up bad. And I've been doing a lot of health monitoring and steps and heart rate and stuff with my OMAD diet that I'm on. So I need something really good to track my fitness. And I do subscribe to the premium service with their app on the phone, and it is really, really good. I like it. It's basic. It's nothing fancy. This isn't an Apple Smart Play, big honkin' wrist computer kind of thing. I just want something to track fitness, tell time, heart rate, sleeping patterns, all that jazz. And I bought a a breathable wristband for this dog, and it's comfortable. I mean, I wear it all the time. Charges up, you get about 3 or 4 days of charge on the battery, and it still charges up fine. But I wanted something new because this one is finally starting to die. It's losing its ability to track zone heart rate, zone whatever it is, and also just the regular heart rate. So it used to do that, now it doesn't. So maybe it's it's just showing its age. So I went with the Charge 6 and another wristband, and it's very similar to what I have, and I guess I can keep my premium service with this. It comes with a 6-month included premium service, but I've already got it. And I read all the reviews and watched videos of other people who have these, and I got a different band than the solid one. I hate the solid bands, so I got the breathable band like this. Actually a 3-pack, and the greatest thing is that it's Amazon Prime same-day delivery. So I'll have this today, and got a coupon for it, so I can change colors on the bands pretty easily. So goodbye, old Charge 2. You've been a workhorse, been really good, but I just want something that actually works better. So there you have it.